Hello and welcome to UC Achievers. You're watching Grade 7 Second Term Test Model and Past Paper discussion, and in this video we are going to give you the answers for Colombo Education Zone 2024 paper. Test 1. Identify the synonyms from the following groups of words and pair them as shown in the example. For example, beautiful, lovely. And the answers are: first one, thin, slim. Number 2, lucky, fortunate. Number 3, costume, dress. Number 4, glad, happy. Number 5, clean, tidy. Test 2. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective or compound nouns. We enjoyed the galaxy of stars during the color night. The teacher asked us to buy a tablecloth. We all shared the bar of chocolate given by uncle. They brought me a basket of fruit. We bought some ready-made clothes for the sports meet. Test 3. Rearrange the jumbled words to get meaningful sentences. First one, every day we have many visitors. Number 2, she spread the tablecloth on the table. Number 3, he came back with a packet of milk powder. Number 4, my sister offered a piece of cake to my friend. Number 5, Mala brought some flowers to the classroom. Test 4. Read the following notice and write the answers for the question given below. Notice: the drama Little Red Riding Hood will be screened on Saturday, 15th of March 2024 from 10:30 am to 12:30 pm at the auditorium of Dharmaraja College. Reserve your seat before 9th March through your class teacher. English Club, Dharmaraja College. Question number 1, the title of the program: Little Red Riding Hood. Number 2, date of the program: 15th March 2024. Time: from 10:30 am to 12:30 pm. Venue: at the auditorium of Dharmaraja College. Organizers: English Club. Test 5. Fill in the blanks using the picture. The first one is done for you. In this picture, there is a group of children gathered around a garden. There are 6 boys and 7 girls happily tending to the plants and flowers. We can see 2 boys watering the plant. There are 4 girls standing around a flower bed. One of them is holding a plant in her hands. 2 boys are sweeping up dirt with an eagle, while 3 girls are collecting the rubbish and dried leaves. The boy wearing a cap is pruning a plant. There is a bucket just behind him. Test 6. Match a noun in box A with a noun in box B. Then complete the sentence below. One is done for you. First one, alarm clock. B, wedding invitation. Wedding and invitation. Third one, C, traffic jam. Traffic jam. D. Credit card, credit card. E. Football boots, football and boots. F. Evening show, evening show. Now we are going to complete the sentences using these words. I bought a new alarm clock because I couldn't wake up in the morning. Number 2. Our teacher was late as there was a big traffic jam on the highway. The cafe would not accept my credit card, so I paid cash. I usually clean my football boots when I get home from a match. We couldn't get tickets for the evening show, so we went in the afternoon. Everyone was looking at the wedding invitation as she came late to the hotel. Test 7. Read the poem and answer the questions. Shine. Life is just like something we all share, just like oxygen in the air. The way we live it is up to us, with a negative or with a plus. Life is something we should cherish. We never know when we will perish. Live each and every single day, smell the flowers, stop and play. Life is something we've been blessed. Choice is yours. Choose your quest. Follow your passions, and you'll be fine. With the right attitude, you will shine. Question number 1. What is the title of the poem? Shine. Question number 2. Underline the correct answer. What is life compared to? Flowers, oxygen, single day. Answer is oxygen. Question number 3. How many stanzas are there in the poem? 3. Question number 4. Write 2 rhyming pairs of words. Number 1. Share, air, day, play. Question number 5. Write the line which says that life is impermanent. We never know when we will perish. Test 8. Read the passage and answer the questions below. One of the things human babies do when they are born is crying. They depend on their mothers and they may cry if they are uncomfortable. When a baby is a month old, he may start to crawl, using his arms and legs to push him along. Human babies learn to walk over a period of time. When baby animals are born, they depend on their mothers for food, in the same way as human babies. Baby animals do not stay with their mothers for nearly as long as human babies. They often have to care of themselves a few months after they are born. Some baby animals, such as foals, start walking as soon as they are born. They are usually a bit wobbly to start with. Some animals change completely as they grow up. For example, a tiny regal tadpole become a champion jumping frog. Question number 1. Human babies cry because A. They won't talk. B. They are uncomfortable. C. They are small. Answer is they are uncomfortable. Question number 2. Baby animals A. Live with their mothers as nearly as human babies. B. Leave their parents just after they are born. C. Take care of themselves a few months after they are born. Answer is C. Take care of themselves a few months after they are born. Question number 3. Which animals walk just after they are born? A. Cats, B. Foals, and C. Dogs. Answer is foals. Question number 4. Tadpole is a baby frog, baby snake, baby tiger. Answer is baby frog. Question number 5. Find a synonym from the text for these words. A. Begin, start, uneasy, wobbly. Test 9. Fill in the blanks using the most suitable word. Trees are very useful. Both men and animals get many kinds of food from them. They give us fuel for cooking and warmth, and they also provide valuable medicine. The timber is used for making furniture and building houses and boats. Another thing about trees is that they stop soil erosion. Their roots hold the soil tightly so that the wind cannot wash it away. It takes only an hour or two to cut down a big tree, but they take many years or even centuries to grow. Test 10. Write an essay on one of the following topics: my school, the person I like most, my hobby. My school. My school is Ibagamu Central College. It is a famous school in the Kurunegala district. I love my school very much because it's beautiful and clean. There are many classrooms, a library, laboratories, and a playground. Our teachers are kind and helpful. They teach us many subjects and guide us to be good students. We take part in sports, competition, and other school activities. My school helps me to learn new things and develop good habits. I am proud to study at Ibagamu Central College. It is the best school for me. The person I like most. The person I like most is my mother. She is kind, loving, and hardworking. She takes care of our family and helps me with my studies. My mother wakes up early every day and does many things for us. She always encourages me to do my best and teaches me good manners. When I have problems, she listens to me and gives me advice. I admire her because she is patient and caring. I love my mother very much, and she is the most important person in my life. My hobby. My favorite hobby is reading books. Reading is an enjoyable and useful hobby. It helps me learn new words and improve my language skills. Storybooks also increase my knowledge and imagination. I enjoy reading adventure stories, fairy tales, and children's novels. When I read, I feel relaxed and happy. It is a better way to spend free time than watching television for long hours. Reading storybooks is a good habit, and I always enjoy it during my leisure time. Test 11 Listening Test. Listen to the paragraph and fill in the blanks. One is done for you. Write the name, job, place of work, lives in, how she comes to hospital. Now listen to the audio clip. Mrs. Malini Ratnayakar is a nurse. She works at the Kandy Hospital. She lives in Peradeniya with her family. Every day, she goes to the hospital by bus. She likes helping patients and enjoys her jobs very much. Subscribe our channel now. Our dedicated English language channel for Sri Lankan students. UC Achievers for grade 6 to 9 English. UC Gen English for advanced level general English. UCAL English for O level English.